Want to start a side hustle but feel stuck? You're not alone. Many aspiring entrepreneurs find themselves in this dilemma. What if I told you digital products could be your answer? Digital products are low risk and require no physical inventory. They can be incredibly profitable. Imagine creating an ebook, a course, or a simple template. You create them once and sell them repeatedly. The market for digital products is booming. It's projected to surpass $325 billion globally. People prefer quick, downloadable knowledge. This is your opportunity to step into the creator's world. Unlike traditional e-commerce, digital products have no inventory costs. You also avoid the headaches of customer service. You hold full control over your business and enjoy seamless management. Think about products that solve real problems. For example, consider fitness trackers tailored for busy parents, or guides designed specifically for freelancers. Focus on what people need, and you can build a loyal customer base. You don't need months to get started. Even a short guide or a simple template can be your first product. With a solid idea, you could have it ready in just a weekend. AI tools make the creation process even easier. Use ChatGPT for your content, Canva for design, and Pictory for video production. You don't need to be a tech wizard or a professional designer. Once your product is live, it can sell 24/7. Some creators earn a few $100s monthly, while others rake in five-figure incomes. Your income can grow without adding extra work. Digital products are the new dropshipping. They're easier to manage, less saturated, and enhanced by AI tools. This is a smart, low-risk side hustle that can lead to amazing success. Are you ready to create your first digital product in just 7 days? Check out the Digital Product Starter Kit in the description. It includes essential tools, ideas, and straightforward guidance to kickstart your journey. Don't miss this opportunity. Start your digital product journey today.